stay home away from home, search no further because Bim Posh Apartment got you covered. We are going inside now to check the interior of our apartment. Come with me. This is what our sitting room is looking like. Our TV console well furnished, our kitchen well furnished, our restroom aesthetically pleasing, our bedroom giving luxury, including 24 hours power supply, free internet, and lots more. Suitable for singles and couples. We are expecting you. To book any of our apartments, contact the number on your screen. And we are currently located at number 1 and number 25 Ayedun Street, Olowoira, close by Westgate. Thank you. We are expecting you. Come and stay in our apartment. You're gonna love it. Bye.